Every day, long-lost relatives are reunited at airports.
Oh my gosh, look at you.
After an ancestry test brought them together. Kelly Ralston found brothers and sisters she never knew she had thanks to a test by Ancestry.com.
She's like, oh my gosh, you girls.
But a new report by the CBC, Canadian Broadcasting, says twins got some mystifying results when they put 5 DNA ancestry kits to the test. 2 identical twins did DNA swab tests and sent them off to 23andMe. Result, one sister showed French and German ancestry that her identical twin did not. And they had different degrees of Eastern European heritage. So from the Doesn't That Stink file, assuming that one DNA ancestry test is the final say. 23andMe tells the CBC that minor variations in swab samples can lead to slightly different ancestry results. If you assume a test is 100% correct, you may end up saying, doesn't that stink? The CBC says each company looks at slightly different things, so results may vary. Bottom line, different companies have different ways to analyze your DNA, so make sure you understand that a single report may not be the final word, so you don't waste your money.